Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to choose, locate and install plugins for your WordPress website. To pick the plugin you want to use, you can either look it up online and download it to your computer or browse the available plugins directly in your website's backend. First, we're going to show you how to pick and install a plugin from your backend. To start, go to Dashboard, click on Plugins and then on Add New. This will open a page with a search box in the top right corner saying Search Plugins. Assuming you already researched which plugin you want to add, just type the name of the plugin in the search box. Once you have located the desired plugin, click on Install Now. The installation process will only take a few moments, after which you should click the Activate button in the plugin field. The activated plugin will now show in your Installed Plugins area, where you will be able to easily change its settings or deactivate it if you want. Let's take a look now at how to install plugins by downloading them to your computer. The first thing to do is to go to www.wordpress.org/plugins and type the name of the plugin you're looking for. Once you found it, click on Download. Once the download is complete, go back to your backend, navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. You will see a button saying Upload Plugin at the top left corner. Click on it, then click on Browse to locate the plugin. Open the zip file with the plugin and click Install Now. After the plugin has been installed successfully, click on Activate Plugin and that's it. Your new plugin will now be listed in the Installed Plugins area. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.